Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling the circle search feature in Cmf Phone 1. First, open the app and sign in. Once done, grant location and camera permissions so the tool can map and cite. Next, go to Tools and select Circle Search. Make sure your phone is steady and unobstructed. Position it at chest height and face the area you plan to scan. Tap the circle icon to activate the initial read. You'll see a live overlay showing where the search will start. Once active, configure the search radius and mode. You can type a numeric radius or use the +/- buttons. Smaller radii speed results while larger ones cover area. Choose visual, infrared, or combine to match conditions. When set, enable filters for object type or signal strength to reduce noise. Now perform the sweep. Rotate slowly full circle or follow the on-screen guided sweep path. As you move, watch the live heat map and markers that update in real time to show candidate hit. To finish, tap any marker to inspect its data, distance, confidence, and a snapshot, and then save or tag the result for export. Once saved, do a quick confirm pass with a smaller radius for precision and to rule out false positives. If you need to share, use the export function to create a report. If nothing appears, recalibrate your compass, verify permissions, and increase the radius slightly. These quick fixes resolve most failures and get the circle search working reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.